must play our part.
Hark at him. I fear his cabin lights are rather dim.
Chokes away, our air display must start.
We're off on a wild goose chase, and our simple mission position the whereabouts of your farm.
We're off at last, we're blown into kingdom come. We won't be back until we found your mom.
And we don't know where his farm is, dear. How are we going to plan the route?
Don't worry, I'll navigate.
That's what I was afraid of.
We're off on a wild goose chase. It's a thankless task, but we ask who could do it as well as we. We're off keen to solve this problem for us. For what could be grander than crowding together for AWOL missing ducks?
Excuse me, sir. Capitals and empty from the rear.
What? I think we've spoken before on the subject of their spectacles. Barnacles, get them checked. Cattails do not advance. One of the things they are most famous for is being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky. Thought I lost you.
Stand back or I'll peck.
Oh, be still, my quaking legs. I'm going to be Goose. What are you doing here? What are friends for? I've come to take you back to your farm. Your mother's been carrying on something fearful.
My mother? You've seen my mother?
Of course. She sent me to fetch you. Special envoy.
Now listen here, Cat. I'm the commander around here, and my squadron and I have taken personal charge of this duckling's safe return to his mother.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns?
We shall commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
It's their party, but we'll fly if we want.
Silence in the ranks!
Maybe I can need assistance. I'll go over to the chute and I'll tell you when they're packing up for the day.
All right, but no funny business. I know several ways to skin your type.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
Do we think anyone that squad such as ours can perform this role? We're off and the proof
That's not the case. Our boy and the cat will search for
for me.
Oh, yes. You don't think I'm leaving you alone here with the duckling, do you? Oh, no, Puss. You're coming with us.
Oh, cat litter.